Hi viewers, today we're looking at the RPAD function, which is right padding function, which adds a specific character or number of characters to a specific text value in a column, or displayed in a value within a select statement. So first of all, we're going to use the world database, and we're going to select name from enter from city, C alias name. I'm going to call it C dot name. There we go. And we're going to run that first, see what it comes out with. Whoa. Run that again. Let's count the city names as normal. And now we're going to add the right pad function to it, RPAD. It's right padding, and then we're going to say that's text we want to add the padding to. So we're going to put a comma at the end. I'm going to say the text needs to be 20 characters, and we want to add the value or the character ampersand to the right of the text. If I click on run, as you can see in the results, is for the city name, is added that ampersand on the right side and filled it so that each column has a maximum or exact value of 20 characters, no matter the length of the city name. And that's the right padding or RPAD function in MySQL Workbench.